Hi, in this video, we will have a look at the second stage of predictive modeling, that is, hypothesis generation. So, what is hypothesis generation? It is listing down all the possible variables which might influence the problem objective. But care has to be taken that these variables should be free from personal bias and preference, since the quality of your model is heavily dependent on the quality of your hypothesis. Let us have a look at the previous example of credit card customers. What are the factors that can impact the default rate of a customer? Let us have a look at some of the factors. People with high income are more likely to have a low default rate due to their financial stability. Also, the type of job a person has might also affect the default rate, since jobs like sales are less stable than data science. So, this may lead to high default rate. Credit history of a customer is a good indicator of his default rate, since person who has a bad credit history has a high rate of defaulting. Education also plays a role in the default rate, since educated people are more likely to be aware of credit products and the effect of defaulting on payments. These were some of the hypotheses that I could think of. There are many more others. Now let's look at a very common but important question related to hypothesis generation. Should hypothesis generation be done before or after looking at the data? Well, as it turns out, hypothesis generation should be done before having a look at the data. Why? Because it helps us in listing down all the factors which affect the problem without being biased. If you look at the data beforehand, it gets very difficult to look beyond the available data. Second, it reduces time wastage, since there is all kinds of data available and it is huge. If you have built your hypothesis right, you already know the kind of data you need to solve the problem. Hence, you can save time by not analyzing all the available data. So this was all about hypothesis generation. In the next video, we will have a look at data collection. Thank you.